Welcome to Eleuthera from the friendly staff of Taylor & Taylor Car Rentals. Here are the directions to get to the iconic Eleuthera sign located in Governor's Harbor. Once you arrive in Governor's Harbor coming from North Eleuthera, you'll reach the beautiful Scenic Bay. Keep driving until you see the lovely local pink building. At this point, take a right. You're now headed towards Cupid's Key, home of the beautiful Eleuthera iconic sign. This spot is a must-see, perfect for photos, memories, TikTokers, bloggers, and scrapbookers. You catch the drift. Keep driving until you pass all these beautiful scenic views of Governor's Harbor, Eleuthera. As you continue, you will come upon the beautiful Haynes Library. Just after that, you will take a slight right, and you'll see the stunning, iconic Eleuthera sign waiting for you. Make your Eleuthera adventure stress-free with Taylor & Taylor Car Rentals. Reliable cars, friendly service, and island vibes you can trust. Book now.